Hi, Philip Griffith here again, and now we are down to 2 weeks prior to Christmas. And as your professional photo organizer, I'd like to recommend that you consider giving PictureKeeper as a gift idea this holiday season. This is a USB device. It also comes as an external hard drive, and my favorite is you can download the software and put on your own external hard drive and then use it on multiple devices, your computer, tablets, phones. And what it does is it goes in, it searches that device and finds all of the photos that are on there scattered across the different files and different places on your device. And this is great for people who have just sort of put things in willy-nilly and now they want to try to gather things up and organize them, but they're like, I have no idea where I put anything. PictureKeeper goes in, finds it, and even will look and see, is it an exact duplicate match of another file, and not just by file name, but by pixels. So again, this is planting a seed for getting organized in the new year, but a great start for someone who really does want to use their photos to tell their story so that they'll last for generations.